Hey y'all, YouTube or Instagram, wherever this is going to go. I am here and I am about to harvest my sweet potatoes. So I've had this sweet potato vine going. I think I started rooting it from a sweet potato that sprouted like back in July. And we're in the new year. It just turned January now. And we finally had like a deep freeze that ended up like killing my plant. And it was so beautiful. Well, I guess it's not really dead, but it also has been over 4 months since it's been growing, so I should have some sweet potatoes there. Hopefully I do. I'm really hoping for a good harvest, so I'm just gonna record me, and yeah, hopefully it comes out good. Like, so I think I'm just about to dump this out. Like, I really don't know how to start. I probably should have put something more down here. I know I'm gonna have dirt everywhere. I'm like, do y'all have a good angle? Oh my gosh, do y'all see that potato? Oh my goodness. I have a potato. I'm like, not that large, but a potato nonetheless. Yay, first one. We have another little thin one over here. I have potatoes. It seemed like this one kind of like rotted. Sorry for that noise. Let me check the bag without having to pour it out. This is like Christmas. Wow, look at this one. And I could feel like this one on the side of the bag, but it was growing. Look, and it was gonna set off a little. See, I think it could have gone with growing a little bit more. Look at that little baby. Okay. I'm trying not to make a huge mess. Like another little one. I'm like, and if I could kind of keep the roots intact, I will definitely try to keep this plant, because I love my sweet potato vine. Okay. Is that it? Oh, there's one. So they're kind of skinny, but that's okay. Yeah, so you can see like where all the tubers are definitely trying to set off their little things. Oh, see, yeah, I'm seeing like little baby ones. So I feel like if it could have had a little bit more time, and I want to say like I only had I'm searching. Okay. Oh, I think that is it. But not bad for my first time, I would say. I have sweet potatoes. Yeah. Thanks for watching. You know what? I'll say this is my first time. I started my garden pretty late last year. Maybe literally my sweet potato vine was the first thing I started growing, and I grew that late, like maybe around, like I said, I started in July, and then I started doing a lot of my other vegetables. I started in like August, kind of very late in the growing season. So I'm very happy for the harvest that I have gotten this year. I've gotten some potatoes and green beans, red beans, tomatoes, and my regular potatoes, and now my sweet potatoes. So I'm very happy to have still gotten something that started so late in the growing season. I got to learn so much about growing, period. So we will keep this going. I can't wait until I'll give it a couple more months, and I'll probably start a new plant so I can have some out for spring all the way through summer and the fall. Since here in Texas we kind of have a longer growing season, I like to think, which is why I was harvesting tomatoes, and I'm still going to be harvesting some peppers. I forgot to say peppers too. I have quite a few pepper plants. And yeah, I'm gonna see if this sweet potato plant bounces back. I'm going to water it and see how it goes.